Let's start with the camera section of the GPS Map Camera app. Once you grant GPS permissions, your location will be detected automatically and added to the stamp. You can take photos in different aspect ratios. The app also supports a countdown timer, automatic or manual flash, and both front and rear cameras. From the settings screen, you can change the grid and automatic gallery saving options. From the template settings screen, you can customize the appearance of the stamp that will be added to your photos. You can access your saved photos from this screen. If your GPS location is inaccurate or slightly off, you can make manual corrections. Download this app now.